Good morning, class.
Good morning, Ma'am Laino.
Okay, before we start, let us start prayer. In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit.
Angel of God, my guardian dear, to whom God's love commits me here, ever this day may be at my side, to light and guide, to rule and guide. Amen.
Okay, in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. So, we will proceed to our lesson. You may now take your seat. Okay, I will flash some pictures and you will name it and say what it is thickness. Okay, the first picture here. Ron Charles, can you say what it is?
Gumamela leaf,
What is the thickness?
0.0329 centimeter, Ma'am.
Okay, very good. Shanti, can you tell what it is? What is it?
Talisay leaf with 0.2138 centimeter.
Okay, for the last one, Ron Charles.
Upo leaf, 0.3157 centimeter.
Okay, before we start the real lesson, Ron Charles, what is our past lesson yesterday?
About visualizing numbers up to 10,000.
Okay, that's right. So, if we have 9 blocks or 9,000 and we add one more block or 1,000, how many blocks do we have now, Shanti?
10.
Okay, 10 blocks or 10,000. Very good. So, to our lesson, we will have a short game is the place value robot. So we have a standard form, which is the number, then base form, which have a blocks length or what is called. So the next one is the expanded form. The expanded, from the word expanded. So 400 plus 20 plus 3, so equals 423. Then the last one is the word form, the 400 from the word itself, word. Okay. For number 1, 200 plus 10 plus 5. So what form it is?
Expanded form.
Okay, very good. For the number 2, the word 174, what form it is?
Word form.
Okay, for number 3, the number 990.
Standard form.
Number 4, 821.
Standard form.
Okay, for this number 5,
The blocks. Base form.
base form. Okay, very good. So, for the go, okay, I flashed some pictures. So, this is the presentation. So, for the Gumamela, 0.31557 and the Talisay is 0.0329 and the Upo is 0.2138. So, the digit 3 in each number occupies a different place. 3 in 0.3157 means 3 times 1 over 10 or 3 over 10 or 0.3 because the 3 is on the tenths. So in 3 in 0.329 means 3 times 1 over 100 or 3 over 100 or 0.03 because the 3 is on hundreds. So and the last one is 3 in 0.2138 means 3 times 1 over 1,000 or 3 over 1,000 or 0.003 because the 3 is on the thousands. So the value of the tens place is 1/10 the value of the ones place. The place to the left is 10 times the place to its right. The decimal point that dictates where the whole number part ends and where the number part begins, whether to the left or to the right of the decimal point. The place value of a digit to the left is 10 times of that to the right. Equivalently, the place value to the right is 1/10 of that to the left. So, for our performing activity, can you guess what is the place value of 4 and the value of this number? Not cards. What is the value of the 4 in this number? Place value and value.
Tenths.
What is the value?
4, ma'am.
Very good. Shanti, what is the place value and value of the underlying number?
100.
And
1,000.
thousands. So, what is the value?
E.
Okay, Ron Charles, last one. What is the place value and value of the underlying number?
Thousands.
What is the value?
8, ma'am.
Okay, very good. How did you find the activity? Shanti.
By identifying the right place value and the value of the numbers.
Okay. Did the blocks or the tables are helpful to our activity?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. I'm glad to hear that. So, for our enforcement concept, is how many digits are there in 50,000?
5.
5.
Okay. What is the place value and value of 3?
1.
Ones.
So, 1, 10, 100,000. Okay, so maganda naman. Okay, okay. What is the place value and value of 3?
1.
Ones.
Once, then the value is?
3.
Okay. What is the place value and value of 6?
10.
Tens, and the value is?
60.
Okay. What is the place value and value of 2? What is the place value?
100.
Hundreds.
Okay. What is the value?
200.
Okay. Very good. And last one, what is the place value of 4? What is the place value?
1,000.
Okay. What is the value?
4,000.
Okay. Very good. Easy. How do we identify the placing values up to 10,000?
To identify and placing values, we have to separate our groups by 10,000s, thousands, hundred, tens, and ones of a number.
Okay, very good. Give yourself 5 claps. What could we help us to identify numbers? Yes, Shanti?
By using tables or blocks.
Yes, okay, that's good. Give yourself 5 claps. Okay. For your quiz, we have an evaluation. Draw a cube or diagram to represent the given decimal. So I will give you 3 to 5 minutes to answer. answer sheet. Okay, thank you. So, number 1, we have a 3,123, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, for number 2, 1,282.
Yes, ma'am.
And for number 3, 12.
Yes, ma'am.
And number 4, 5,215, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And last one is the 291.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So I will, who got 5? Okay, give yourself 5 claps. Okay. So our assignment, give the place value and value of the digit 8. So for number 1 is 4.8, number 2 is 0.8, 3 is 8.321. Copy this on your notebook. And 12 is 12.834, and number 5 is 2.875. Copy and answer to your homework. Are you done, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's stand up and we have a closing prayer. Glory be to the Father, and to the Son, and to the Holy Spirit.
As it was beginning, is now, and ever shall be, world without end. Amen. Of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit.
Thank you, class.
Goodbye and thank you, Ma'am Lino,
Thank you
for teaching us.